UPS offers a convenient and secure alternative for delivering packages to customers. To add this option, under the Settings menu, select the Services option. On the left side, choose which service you would like to add the hold option to. Select the hold option and drag over to the Assign Special Services area. You can auto-apply this feature to make this option available to all packages under the service selected. Remember to save. Now let's ship a package with the hold option. Select Hold for pickup. Then select your location. Here you will see the location addresses where the package will be delivered. Here is an example of a label showing a UPS access point address, as well as the customer's address. And that's how to add the hold option for UPS access points with DesktopShipper. For further assistance, please reach out to our support team at 503-331-4000 or reach us on the web at DesktopShipper.com/support.